Hello everyone, myself Sandeep Kuve, student of SAS Institute. Today I am presenting the presentation on prospective management and my topic is decision making. Let's see what is a decision making. Decision making means it is a process of examining your possibilities, options, comparing them and choosing a course of action. Decision can be either program or non-program. Program decisions that are simple and routine and have a pre-established decision making plans. Non-program means decisions that are new and complicated and require through and creativity. Factor affecting decision making. First one is a perception. Second one is priority. Third one is acceptability. Fourth one is demands. Fifth one is a style. Sixth one is a resources. Seventh one is judgment. Next, perception means know before you make. Priority, without knowing what you want there cannot be any decision made about. Acceptability, accept whether it is hard or easy if you think your decision is correct. Demand, make sure that no one gets hurt by your decision. Style, don't be outdated. Resources, make your way with the what is available. Don't ask for more in the region or scarcity. Judgment, go on with the correct decision. C's of decision making. Construct. Second one is a comply, collect, compare, consider, commit. Construct a clear picture of precisely what must be decided. Compile a list of required that must be met. Collect information on alternatives that meet the requirements. Compare alternatives that meet your requirements. Consider the what might go wrong factor with each alternative. Commit to decision and follow through with it. There are some don'ts of decision making. First one is a don't fear to express your decision. Second one is a don't let your ego change your decision. Remember your should be hurts others. Don't make decision which are outside your realm of authority. Don't crave unanimous approval. You may not be correct always. Don't get conclusion with having an overlook. Don't make a decision without following the C's in decision making. Thank you. If you have any query, you can ask.